On today's IRS tax refund update, we will recap the latest developments, including those ongoing tax refund delays still impacting many of you, as well as the next round of tax refunds scheduled for release this week. And from there, we will check in on those who have been getting assistance in regards to those tax refunds and one of the key reasons that has been leading to delays this year, and the paperwork you may want to have ready if in fact you're one of those impacted. Starting off with the latest, as the next round of tax refunds is scheduled for release on June 12th and June 14th, as confirmed by the tax transcripts seen here. Now, for those receiving those direct deposit tax refunds, while most will receive the day of please, allow 5 additional days for it to post your bank account before initiating a payment trace. And for those expecting a paper check, most will receive with 7 to 10 days, but do allow up to 30 days to receive that in the mail. Now, taking a look at the tax transcript from one of our viewers who is receiving that tax refund on June 14th. They actually ended up filing their tax return in early February. Now, in this particular situation, the viewer not only had to verify their ID, but their tax return was also subject to random wage and tax withholding verification, as confirmed by the 570 tax transcript code seen here, after which a 60-day notice from the IRS was sent out, notifying them of the review, and that no further action was necessary. And eventually, the 570 code was reversed by the 571 code, which appeared on the same day as the 846 refund issue code and the 776 refund interest code. It is also important to note this was one of many viewers who reached out to their congressional representative for assistance and was able to see that refund released within 30 days from when they requested assistance. We also have been hearing reports the taxpayer advocate is now beginning to accept new cases for those seeking assistance for those still waiting on their tax refunds. Now, while we have previously heard they would not be taking new cases until late June, do reach out to the advocate's office to confirm this, as they will be flooded with new cases for assistance, especially with the high level of unprocessed tax returns still remaining. Now, if you're unable to get assistance from the advocate, do reach out to your local congressional representative's office for further help. And as we have previously reported, a number of our viewers have either had a resolution on their tax refund issues or they are presently working with their congressional office at the moment. Also, do keep in mind each office is run separately, so results may vary. Many of our viewers experiencing delays are encountering the 571 and 971 codes on their tax transcripts as seen here, as well as possibly receiving various letters from the IRS, such as the CP05 notice, like seen here, informing the taxpayer that they are reviewing the tax return and need an additional 60 days. It is also important to note that those impacted by this may receive more than one notice as they continue to wait on that tax refund. A number of our viewers who have received assistance from their congressional representative's office have in turn been informed that needed to submit wage documentation to the IRS, such as a W-2 or 1099 form, to substantiate their reported earnings so that processing can continue, as the IRS is indicating they did not have the wage documentation on file at the time of processing, leading to those delays. If you are requested to submit such documentation, you will have the opportunity to upload it online rather than having to mail it to the IRS as was done in previous years. So for those experiencing delays, please make sure to have those wage forms and possibly copies of your year-end pay stubs available just in case you're requested to submit those. Also, many of our viewers who withdrew from their retirement accounts in tax year 2023 are reporting delays as well. And we do believe that is the cause of your delays, as the IRS has not received or processed those 1099-R forms they received from those financial institutions regarding your retirement withdrawal. Now, since retirement withdrawals are not ordinary income, it does seem the IRS computer is flagging those transactions, which is leading to additional delays as a result. So make sure to have a copy of your 1099-R form available in the event you are requested to submit so processing can continue. Now, with more and more tax refunds being processed daily, we still are receiving additional reports of tax filers reporting adjusted tax refunds, which noted by the IRS mailing out the CP12 notice as seen here. And there could be a variety of reasons this is happening, including an entry error on the tax return filed, a miscalculation in itemized deductions, a credit that you attempted to claim, but were denied by the IRS. The notice in question will give the exact reason for the adjusted refund, and if you do not appeal their decision, expect to receive that refund within 4 to 6 weeks. However, there are going to be some cases where the adjusted refund amount will be an increase from what you were expecting. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax issue In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.